Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instantly AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Instantly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Instantly anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe going B2B marketing, you know that Instantly is a popular way to gather leads and stay in contact with their cold email outreach program. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on instantly.ai. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create an Instantly account, click right here on start for free. Okay, once you do that, they do ask for your first name, your last name, email address, and to create a password. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, entered in the required information. I'm going to click on join now. Okay, next Instantly is going to ask you a few questions about your business. So first off, where did you find out about Instantly? What type of industry you're in? So let's do consulting. And what is your company size? And click on continue. Okay, next Instantly sent me an email verification. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up that email and click on the link. Okay, after clicking on the email link, it brings me here to my dashboard. So it's going to give you a little walkthrough. So they say they have 80 million business contacts. Let me click on next. Here's where you can go ahead and warm up your emails. Here's where you can go ahead and import your lists. So with Instantly, you can have various emails and it's all going to be located right here in the Unibox, analytics, CRM, website visitors, inbox placement. Okay, so now it lets me into the dashboard so I can go ahead and start connecting my email addresses, buying email addresses, and setting up email campaigns. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Instantly AI account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.